Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at something from CMMG. This is the 22 long rifle AR conversion kit. So this goes from 5.56 or 223 to 22 long rifle. And then it also includes the magazine 3-pack. Simple installation, no tools required. Installs in seconds, save money on ammo, low recoil, made in the USA. So I've gone ahead and actually opened it and removed two of the pieces here, and we'll just continue onward. Looks like we have this here which says Bravo, standard upgrade kit, stainless steel components, notched frame, bolt, firing pin, and extractor chamber adapter, 310 round magazines. So I guess this is the Bravo version because of the stainless steel component. I don't know. Advertising speak. Two more mags. And let's see what else. This is the back panel here. So converts, blah, blah, blah. Pretty much the same thing we saw on the other side. And there's kind of a picture instructions. 22 conversion kit upgrades. Offers a full line of conversion kits, upgrades, and accessories. Visit there for more information. Guide rod, charging handle, forward assist, and other contact info. So this was actually purchased a while ago, so the packaging may vary. So very similar right there. So we'll set this aside and look at the pieces themselves. These will be all the same. This goes with that. Alright, so this is the main thing right here. This is a cover. You discard this, which will reveal this thing. Now if you notice, this is very similar in shape to, if I can find it here in the ammo tray, one of these. So notice this is going to be a chamber kind of a tool replacement in order to feed 22 long rifle this ammo from these magazines as opposed to regular AR magazines. So notice these are actually 22 magazines with just a lot of plastic bulk to take up space and give you that cosmetic look. Non-functional. All this is plastic. So again, you are going to this as opposed to this, which is still the same caliber technically. So what you got here is kind of a internal piston system, and this is basically control blowback that replaces a normal AR bolt like this. So you would take this out of your AR and put this in its place, and then use these magazines in conjunction as opposed to regular AR mags. You want to switch back, you pull this out, you stop using those, you put this back in, and you use regular AR mags. So that goes with that, and this versus this goes with this and regular AR mags, which I don't think I have any handy at the moment. So I don't know what else to really show. Your bullets are going to come shooting out of there, and the actual chamber for this is right there. So all this is just basically an extension to get the bullet into your AR barrel. So See the size difference there if I line it up this way, and what's going on here. So normally this would seat into here versus this is going to seat into here. So probably somewhere in here. Yeah, because basically that's where the chamber of this is going to be, so this will right about there. So it's actually moved what would normally be the chamber feed for the AR round up here. Instead, you're feeding a 22 round all the way back here. And it's going to send a projectile all the way down here and then down the normal barrel. And meanwhile, this will be sent backwards, do the extraction and feeding of the next round from these magazines. So, again, looking at the 22 long rifle AR conversion kit. All this advertising material and instruction material included from CMMG. Check them out. Current product offerings and product descriptions. So this has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do sometimes unboxing videos, a selection of book review media reviews, and other muzzle to rear show and tell in-depth videos. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.